Ok, bonjour les cinquièmes. Donc, this is the second lesson où on trace une ligne, on écrit la date en français et le titre, quelques Français célèbres. Okay. Et on souligne avec une règle. Ok. Maintenant, j'aimerais que vous copiez et traduisiez les phrases qui sont là sur votre écran. So, copy and translate these 5 sentences, please. I'll let you pause and translate. Copy and translate. As a challenge, be ready to explain the perfect tense, please. Okay, when you're ready, use the red pen. She was born in 1983. Elle est née en 1883. Okay, we're talking about the perfect tense here. And with naître is a Van de Tramp verb. We use être. And why do we have an extra E here? Because elle is feminine. Well done. Remember the date? 1883. 1883. Okay, second one, he invented a vaccine against rabies. Il a inventé le vaccin contre la rage. Here we have avoir. Most of the verb will have avoir as auxiliary verb here. Past participle of inventer, er verb to invent is we remove er at the end, add e acute accent. So this one perfectly regular. He built the Eiffel Tower. You can see he built is also an irregular in English. And construire has an irregular past participle. Il a construit la Tour Eiffel. Again, to write, same as in English, this is an irregular past participle, okay? And you have he wrote. So to write is écrire. And we know that écrire, the past participle is écrit, it at the end. So, il a écrit Les Misérables. And they invented cinematography. Inventer, we know this one. We've got er verb, so this is our past participle. And we just need to write the same for they. So, ils ont. Ils ont inventé la cinématographie. Okay. And please, can you now explain the perfect tense out loud? You can pause. Okay, so hopefully you were able to say that it was for completed specific actions in the past. Now you need avoir most of the time plus past participle. And for Van de Tramp and reflexive verb, you need to use être and therefore need to agree the past participle as well. Okay, so if it's feminine, the subject is feminine, you will add an extra E to the past participle. If it's plural, you add an extra S. And be careful of the irregular past participles that we saw in the first lesson that you need to know by heart. Okay, so I would like now to say out loud those dates in French. So pause the video, say them all just out loud, and then we'll go through it. Okay, when you're ready, check if you got it right. I'm going to start from the 1833 and go around the clock like this. So, 1833, 1543, 2012, 2000, 1649, 1969, 1212, 1874. Okay, how did you get on? Okay. Okay, so now we're going to listen to text. You're going to listen and find the dates. Okay. For example, you're going to see that we're going to talk about Marie Curie because she was born in, or is going to say the date about 1867. So let's listen. We'll do the first one together, and then I'll let you do the rest.
Page 9, activité 4. Alors, Marie Curie est née en 1867 en Pologne.
So here we heard Marie Curie est née en 1867 en Pologne. Okay, so we write down who we heard, the name of the person, Marie Curie. You've got all the possible options here. And then you're going to write the correct letter. D is 1867, 1867. Okay? I'll let you do the rest on your own.
Elle a obtenu le prix Nobel de physique.
As a challenge, try and pick out any extra details. Elle a obtenu le prix Nobel de physique. What do you think that means? Okay, she won the Nobel Prize. Okay, the Physics Nobel Prize. Number 2.
Louis Pasteur est né en 1822. Il a inventé la pasteurisation. Coco Chanel est née en 1883. Elle a créé des robes et des parfums. Victor Hugo est né en 1802 à Besançon. Il a écrit Les Misérables, qui raconte l'histoire de Cosette et de Jean Valjean. Napoléon est né en 1769 à Ajaccio, en Corse, une île en Méditerranée.
Okay, so you're very welcome to listen to the text again by going back in the video. Okay. Try and maybe write the transcript if you can. Okay. So I'll let you pause the video, go back if you need to. Try and write the transcript of some of them. Okay, when you're ready, take a red pen. So hopefully you saw that Louis Pasteur was A, okay, born in 1822 and known for the pasteurization. And Coco Chanel was E, 1883, 1883. Elle est née en 1883 and she was born because she is female. You're going to need the extra E at the end of the past participle here. Okay. Victor Hugo was B, born in 1802, 1802. He was born in Besançon and he wrote Les Misérables. Et Napoléon was C. Okay. Il est né en 1769, 1769, and born in Ajaccio in Corsica, which is an island of the south of France. I'll let you pause the video and correct if need be. Okay, so I've included here the transcript of the text that we just heard. Okay, so I'm going to say this out loud so you can match the hearing to what it looks like. Okay, I would like you as well to spot the perfect tense in there. Just write down just the perfect tense verbs that you can see. Alors, Marie Curie est née en 1967 en Pologne. Elle a obtenu le prix Nobel de physique. Louis Pasteur est né en 1822. Il a inventé la pasteurisation. Coco Chanel est née en 1883. Elle a créé des robes et des parfums. Victor Hugo est né en 1802 à Besançon. Il a écrit Les Misérables, qui raconte l'histoire de Cosette et de Jean Valjean. Napoléon est né en 1769 à Ajaccio en Corse, une île en Méditerranée. Okay. And think about what that means, that little key here. Oops. Okay. It means which or who, depending on who you're talking, what you're talking about. Okay. So the perfect tense here, you can see this. Est né, was born. A obtenu, obtained. Again, est né without the extra E because Louis Pasteur is male. A inventé, invented. Again, est né, Coco Chanel feminine, we need an extra E. Elle a créé, she created. Est né here, il a écrit, he wrote. Again, est né was born, and that's all you had. Okay, can you say out loud quickly what each of these French people our famous word. Just say it out loud, pause the video and say it out loud. Okay, when you're ready, the final task I'd like you to do is to write the objectives that you feel like you have achieved today, okay? I've given you the 3 ones that can be applicable. Write the 3 if you can, if you're confident with the 3. And if you're not confident with the irregular verbs, write this down as a target, please, in red. And that's it for today. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Merci beaucoup la classe. Au revoir.